Hi, good morning, my dear students. Yes, last class we have discussed very most important chapter, the continuity. What do you mean by continuity? Continuity means suppose f is a real number subset of real valued function. Very important concept. Suppose f is a real valued function is a subset of real number. Then, so we are going to consider C be the domain of the function. Limit extends to C, f of x is equal to f of c. This is known as the continuity. Yes, in that continuity, so many remarks are there. It means very important nodes are there. So here, let us discuss every node. I hope you know that when you are going to take a continuity, already a lot of times I said that the domain and codomains are the most important in the function. Here also, it expresses for the some values to express how to continuous and how to represent. So here, few nodes I can express here one by one discussion. So let us first one, most important, every polynomial function is continuous. Keep in your mind. What do you mean by polynomial function? The function which express for the more than 3 terms. It means, I hope you know that P of x is equal to a0 plus a1 x1. So here a2 x2 so on an x to the power n. So this one it is the polynomial function. So I hope monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. In that expression, this whole should be, that is called the continuous at each and every real number in the domain. That is the most important. So here, then only I can take every polynomial function is continuous. That formula expression, limit extends to C, P of x. So is equal to P of, it is the definitions of limit. So second most important, what is the value? I hope you know that you have heard that one word, rational number. What do you mean by rational number? I hope you know that natural number, whole number, integer. So here, rational, irrational, real, complex. In that all the things, we are particularly one function is the rational. In that continuous, both numerator and denominators are most important. So in that expression, so P divided by Q form, Q does not equal to 0. This is called, I hope you know that, rational. So every rational function is continuous, right? So that is the most important. Every rational function is continuous. So I hope you try to understand. You can take P of x is equal to 3 plus 1 divided by, so Q of x is equal to 2x minus 1. You can x come and take outside and apply the limit. Then particularly one value will be there. That is a constant. I hope you know that every constant function is continuous. Let us discuss next point. So here, I hope you know that constant function I can express f of c, the result k. Here the reverse you can go to. Limit extends to c, f of x is equal to k. Or otherwise, you can go to here. Constant function you have studied in the first year. I hope real number. I hope you know that relation and function. On that base, I can take the limit of extends to c, f of x is equal to f of c. F of c is equal to k. Some constant function. I hope constant means 5, 10 like that. The numbers, most important. All those numbers are where in that c. So a continuous in every real number part. Right? So another most important, identity. What do you mean by identity? I hope in that you have studied for the first chapter, relation and function, identity, relation, reflexive relation, symmetric relation. That expression you are going to define limit extends to c, f of x is equal to c. Some constant, I hope one greatest values are there. So here f of x is equal to 2. This is one type of constant function. So you can take generally expressed for the f of x is equal to c. That is a constant function. So that's why we are going to take each and every real number part in that constant function. It is also continuous. Keep in your mind. So most of the time, every polynomial function is continuous, every rational number is continuous, every constant function is Continuous, every identity, it means function is continuous. So these are the we are going to express. And another most important, I hope you know that the additions of two polynomial function, the subtractions of two polynomial function, the multiplications of two polynomial function, and the divisions of. These are the basic mathematics, all at a continuous at one point x is equal to c. Every points are there. So addition is there, subtraction is there, multiplication is there, division is continuous at a real number x is equal to c. So that most important. And another one, composite function. Every composite function or composite of two function is continuous. Along with some another 2 points are there. Trigonometric part. Sine function is continuous at 1 in the domain. It means cos function is continuous at the point. Tan function is continuous when cos x is not equal to 0. So sum x is equal to 2n plus 1, the whole bracket 1 by 2 is not equal to 0. This type of conditions are there. These are the most important note we are going to express. Keep in our mind, work hard. Here, these are the CET and along with some most important. So whenever they are solving for the continuous function, last class, so you can write these words also. And another one important, every modulus function or modulus function is also continuous function at x is equal to c. Keep in our mind, every constant function is continuous. Every identity function is continuous. Every rational function is continuous. So every polynomial function is continuous. Every addition, subtraction, multiplication, division is continuous at x is equal to c. And composite function is continuous at x is equal to c. Modulus function is continuous at x is equal to c. These are the most important. So few only I have wrote here, others I can express directly. So in this type of values are there. Next video I am going to discuss some problems are there along with greatest integer function, less than and greater than, and along with so few different type of modulus functions are there. In the next video I can discuss. Thank you so much. I will continue the next part.